On behalf of WHO Indonesia, I extend my warmest congratulations to BPJS Kesehatan on its 56th anniversary. Your consistent dedication over so many years has been crucial in transforming healthcare in Indonesia, the world's fourth most populous country. And over the past 10 years, that transformation has been especially rapid. Today, the JKN covers more than 90% of all Indonesians, a tremendous achievement that has dramatically reduced out-of-pocket spending, especially for the poorest and those at risk of being left behind. WHO has been proud not just to support the initiative, but to highlight its immense success globally as a best practice in health financing reforms. In the months, years, and decades ahead, WHO is committed to supporting BPJS Kesehatan in its mission to expand the JKN and ensure comprehensive and equitable healthcare for all Indonesians in alignment with the WHO Country Cooperation Strategy 2023 to 2027. I once again congratulate BPJS Kesehatan and wish you the happiest of anniversaries. Terima kasih.